A buy-to-let mortgage is a specialized mortgage designed for individuals who intend to purchase property with the primary goal of renting it out to tenants, providing an opportunity for property investment and generating rental income. The rules around buy-to-let mortgages differ from those around regular residential mortgages. To find out if you are eligible, you can either call up, visit the bank, or check online. In this video, I will be using an online mortgage calculator to give you an example of the requirements you need to consider when looking at buy-to-let mortgages. I picked the Barclays buy-to-let calculator, but you can use any one you want. Different banks have different requirements, so keep that in mind. I will leave the calculator link in the description if you want to try it for yourself. Okay, so first we are going to check our eligibility. I selected one applicant. Then, you must state that you are between 21 and 80 years old. Next, you must have an annual income of at least £25,000. You must also have 6 or fewer mortgages buy-to-let properties with Barclays, and 10 or fewer such properties from all lenders. Now we can go on to the calculator. First, I'm going to enter an amount of £150,000 to borrow. I selected yes to being interest only. Interest only means you only pay the mortgage interest each month, but you will need to pay the mortgage balance at the end of the mortgage term. I selected 20 years for the mortgage term, then entered £36,000 as the gross annual rental income. The property value is £200,000. I selected maisonette and it is not a new build. This gave me a loan value of 75%. Next, I selected England for the location and then employed as my income type. I added my income as £30,000 and left all the other fields as blank. I selected 0 financial dependents and none as the number of outgoings each month. I also selected none as the number of other mortgages I will have after this one. Then click Finish. Based on this information, I would be eligible for a buy-to-let mortgage of £150,000 over 20 years and 0 months with Barclays. That is if I pass the credit score and identity checks. You can then save this result to take to your bank appointment. Make sure to also check out the interest rates and conditions. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more finance-related videos. Good luck on your buy-to-let journey.